It's called the lungs of the planet, the Amazon rainforest, where every leaf hides a constant fight for survival. Today, let's meet some of its residents, up close. The jaguar, the largest big cat in the Americas. Its bite is so powerful, it can pierce straight through a turtle's shell. Unlike most cats, jaguars actually love water and are strong swimmers. This tree frog's skin mimics the exact texture of mossy bark, a survival trick called camouflage. Sit still long enough, and it practically disappears into the branch, invisible to both predators and prey. The Eyelash Viper, named for the spiky scales above its eyes. Its vivid yellow color isn't for hiding, it's a hunting trick, luring curious prey close before striking with venomous fangs. The Toco Toucan, the largest of all toucan species, known for that oversized orange bill. It looks heavy, but it's actually mostly hollow, made of lightweight keratin, so it barely adds any weight at all. That bill isn't just for show either. It helps the toucan reach fruit deep inside branches other birds can't get to. And it also works like a built-in cooling system, releasing body heat to keep the bird from overheating in the jungle's thick humidity. Toco toucans usually travel in small, noisy groups, hopping branch to branch rather than flying long distances. Their wings are built more for short bursts than sustained flight. The three-toed sloth, the slowest mammal on the planet, covering just a few meters an hour. Look closely at that fur, and you'll notice a faint greenish tint. That's actually algae growing on its coat, which doubles as natural camouflage against the leaves. Those long curved claws aren't for attack. They're built for hanging, letting the sloth rest, sleep, and even give birth upside down without ever needing to grip actively. Its muscles make up far less of its body weight than most mammals, which is exactly why fast movement isn't an option. But it also means the sloth burns very little energy, letting it survive on a diet of leaves that barely offer any calories. Sloths only climb down to the ground about once a week, mainly to relieve themselves, making that rare trip one of the most vulnerable moments of their lives. The Emperor Tamarin, instantly recognizable by its long white mustache, said to resemble a 19th century German emperor. Despite its small size, it lives in tight-knit family troops and communicates through a wide range of chirps and whistles. Hummingbirds beat their wings up to 50 times per second, which is exactly what lets them hover perfectly still in midair while feeding, a trick almost no other bird can pull off. This one's found its way to a heliconia flower, whose curved red and yellow bracts are practically designed for this exact relationship. The shape fits a hummingbird's bill so precisely that few other creatures can reach the nectar inside. In exchange for that meal, the hummingbird picks up pollen on its head and carries it to the next flower, making it one of the rainforest's most efficient pollinators. Their heart rate can climb past 1,000 beats a minute during flight, which means they need to feed constantly. Some species visit over 1,000 flowers in a single day just to keep their energy up. The giant anteater has no teeth at all. Instead, it relies on a sticky, foot-long tongue that flicks in and out up to 150 times a minute, lapping up thousands of ants and termites in a single day. Its sense of smell is around 40 times stronger than a human's, letting it sniff out a colony from meters away before tearing into the mound with those powerful curved claws. The Amazon isn't just a forest, it's the heartbeat of the planet. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe. And let us know in the comments which animal you want to see next.